Like right here, Brian.
Yeah.
See that?
Yep.
Okay. So the secret here to getting that, I just want the sprinkler line on the outside of the walkway.
With artistic landscaping, we'll bring your beautiful dreams to life.
Yeah, so we're doing a nice walkway here. Did the backyard, which you can see. We're doing the porch. Removing the pillars. Okay. And putting the facing on here, here, here. Okay. Incorporating all that. So it's going to look really nice, really sharp. And then also putting stonework on the porch as well. And then we're going to redo these two flower beds. So it's going to look really nice, classy, coming in here like this. Okay. Being wider, you know. Real nice front entrance, and the big thing is we're going to eliminate another stair, so it's just a step up on the porch. Like right here, Brian.
Yeah.
See that?
Yep.
Okay. So the secret here to getting that, I just want the sprinkler line on the outside of the walkway. So we're gonna. That's why we moved it in. So the walkway is not going to be quite that big anyway. But then we're going to cut little spots, and then it's just going to push in. So you know, right along the edge of the bricks. You'll see that at the end. It'll make a big difference.